How to remix Reels on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remix Instagram Reels. It's a fun way to create content using someone else's video. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the Reels icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the Reels tab, simply find the reel that you want to remix. And now here, once you have found the reel, then you simply have to tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of that reel. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just select Remix option. And here, if you don't see that option, then the creator may have disabled the remixes for their reels. And here on the next page, you simply have the original reel in one side, and here you can simply edit the video as you like. So here you can add a music, add a text feature, you can add stickers, you can add different glimmer effects, and here if you like you can also add clips to it. Here you can also add edit the video to your need. You can zoom in, zoom out, and here once you're done with that, you simply have to tap on next. And after that, once you're done entering all things, you simply have to tap on next. And here you have to enter the hashtags. You can tag people, you can add location if you want, you can set your audience. And here, once you're done with everything, you simply have to tap on next, and the videos will be shared in your Instagram profile. And that's it. That's how you can remix Instagram Reels in 2025. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.